Good afternoon. Video message for Juan. Hola, Juan. Thank you for buying the beautiful vintage Husqvarna chainsaw. So, pardon, mi español es muy malo, muy pobre. Spanish is very poor and very small, but gracias por comprar la motosierra. Thank you for buying the chainsaw, and also I should say saludos desde el Reino Unido. So greetings from the UK. So I know I haven't done a video for this saw yet, and I only had one old library photograph, so I thought what I'd do is do a quick video walk around for you. And she's down as non-running or selling for parts, not working, but she's actually a running saw, and it's just to be fair with people so they can see exactly what needs doing to the saw, which is really very tiny. She's missing just the air filter cover, and she has a couple of tiny cracks here on the side casing. Other than that, she looks absolutely complete to me. I will do a walk around as well, and she has really good compression, kill switch, choke, throttle lock, go a bit lower. Choke off. Hey, Juan. So she starts, possibly never run saw, certainly never cut with her, so undoubtedly may want some fettling. And let me do a little walk around for you, show you what this girl looks like. A couple of her other brothers and sisters are at the top to see her off as well. So it has this beautiful period wheel-nosed bar, which is running a 404 pitch semi-chisel chain. Outboard oiler, you should probably know about if you've bought the saw. So very similar to things like the Dolmar. Very similar to some of the early Dolmar saws, the CA for example. No brakes on any of the housings at the back. So kill switch and little momentary kill switch as well, unusual 2 kill switches. So she's missing the top, the rear air filter cover to cover the carburettor. Unusual as well. This series of carburettor, you don't often see them mounted inverted. It's quite unusual. Serial number plate intact and lovely. No brakes at all in the back. A couple of little cracks here. And for damage, that, as far as I know, that is absolutely everything. Really clean on the underside. Lovely having the original felling spike. Oiler working really, really well, chain oiler, and it's nice to have the little crown insignia for Husqvarna on the side of the engine. And there she is, and all the way around. I shall show her on a restart quickly, Juan. I'll try to. Okay. So early saws as well. So considering that Husqvarna only started these saws in early 60s, late 62, I think then officially launched 63. Only short lifespan as well, and a couple of variations on this, the E70, the F70. Unusual in terms of their piston as well, the piston and stroke. Not a common size for Husky, which is a 45mm piston and a 44mm stroke, so a real lovely thump of a stroke. And okay, and beautifully constructed saw. So kill switch, throttle lock. So it's interesting as well, these saws with two kill switches, with the isolation switch on the side, and then a momentary kill switch up by the thumb or by the forefinger. Just beautiful, beautiful vintage saws. So that's running a period, I don't know if I said, that's putting a period 15-inch wheel nose bar, and they're just gorgeous engines. Running the correct NGK plug, which is a B6HS, I think, period for that. Correct fitment lodge cap. So there she is. That's the Husqvarna E70. I was going to say as well, something unusual as well about this particular model was when you undo the side cover bolts to release the chain, the side cover comes off with the entire front wraparound handle, and of course that's you have almost something completely identical to that on the Steel 08S or the Steel 08, and almost identical period as well, early 60s. So it's very interesting how this early Husky has almost identical design trait with the steel, with the handle and the side cover integral. I'll send you the video, Juan, and if you're happy with the saw, I'll post it tomorrow. Muchas gracias. Bye bye.